Okay, so discuss natin 'tong problem sa dynamics, no, using impulse and momentum. The wheels of a 1,500 kilogram car generate a traction force F described by the graph. Find the speed of the car when t is equal to 6 seconds if the car starts from rest. Okay, so ito gagamitin uli natin 'tong impulse and momentum equation, no. Okay, so paano 'yan? So simply, ano ba yung ating initial velocity dito? That is 0, no, kasi nga it starts from rest, tama? Okay, so substituting lang, no, sa yung value sa equation natin, we have 1,500 yung mass niya, m, times yung V1 natin na 0. Okay. Plus, ito na, no? Okay, summation nung ating forces. Okay. So, basically, okay, area lang na itong force diagram natin. Tama? Okay. So, now, anong area niyan? Okay. That is 1/2. Diba? Times yung 6,000, yung 6kn, nagawin na natin Newton, no? Okay, so magiging 6,000 yan, no? 6,000 times 2, di ba? Okay, area of the triangle plus yung area naman ng rectangle. 6,000 times ilan tong base na to? 2 minus 6, this is 4, no? 4, okay, is equal to yung mass natin na 1,500 times yung velocity natin na 2. Okay, so notice ito, maka-cancel to. Okay, so ang solving for V2, we have velocity natin, okay, when t is equal to 6 ay, pag in-input niya sa calcu, o makukuha natin ay 20 meter per second. Okay, so ganun lang, no? Pag-apply ng impulse and momentum, no? So madali lang siya, no? Okay? Pag given ka ng graph, kunin mo lang yung area niyan, ayan na yung ating f of t. Okay? So yun lang, no? So thank you for listening.